Let's see the methods of writing sets. We have two methods. First is listing method or roster method, and second is rule method or set builder form. So let's see the methods of writing sets.
Good morning, dear students. In the previous thing, we have seen how the set is represented, how it is written, the rules to write down the set. We have also seen the two methods, that is, first is the listing method and the second is the set builder form. So let's see the first method, that the name of the first method is listing method, okay, or it is also named as roster method. Okay, actually this method is the easy method to write it down, where certain conditions will be given and you have to write down the set. For example, okay, for example, the set
Let's
of
see the equal set.
even numbers,
If A is the set of the letters in the word
even
tea
numbers
and B is the set of the letters in the
From
word eat, then
2
A will be equal
to
to D, E,
12.
A and B will be equal
So
to
which are the even
E,
numbers? I
A,
can
G.
write down
If we
here.
see the elements,
I can
both the
I
elements
can denote
are
this
same.
set
Even if
as,
the
for
order
example,
is
A,
different, it is
and
same.
I will write
Hence,
it down
A is
as
equal to
even
B,
numbers
and
from
hence
2 to
A
12.
and
So
B
2.
are equal 6.
Next, even number 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So this becomes the set. This becomes the listing method, where each term, where each element, we term this as element. Each number, each alphabet, or whatever the things which are present in the curly bracket, each term is called as element. Okay, so we are in the listing method. The name itself suggests list. Okay, so here we have to list each and every element. Okay, for example, one more. Dear students, remember you are going to put one 200 pages notebook for your maths one, and you will be writing down whatever has been taught in the videos. No need to write each and everything, but when certain definitions comes and the examples, other rest explanations and everything, no need. Just in case of certain definition, for example, sets, what was the definition, that will be done. The examples which are given, that you will copy down. Okay, and these the methods, that is first method is listing method, roster method, and the examples. One more example. I am writing now actually the question in the next in the type of the next method which we are going to study, that is the set builder form, okay, or rule method. We are going to study after this. Now I am writing the question in that form. Okay, let's see. A, which is equal to x. I will tell you all these things, what does it means. Natural number and x is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, see here the things are. A is equal to x. X means actually the element, each element x, such that x belongs to natural number. That means each element is the natural number. So first thing, when the natural number comes, no negative will come, no zero will come. Okay, only the natural numbers. Okay, so x belongs to the natural number. Now x, what is x? What is the condition? X is equal to 2 raised to n. Okay, now what is n? 1, 2, 3. Now I am just solving. I will list each term. Okay, how? See, x means the element. The formula is x is equal to 2 raised to n. Formula means the term, the condition which is given, not formula. The condition which is given is 2 raised to n. So x equal to 2 raised to n. N is what? 1, 2, 3. 2 raised to 1 is 2. So first element is 2. Then n is what? 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2 4. n is equal to 3. 2 raised to 3. 8. Okay, that means x such that means x is the element such that x is equal to 2 raised to n. It's the conditions will be given to you, and n, where n is the, it can be the square, it can be the cube, it can be 5 multiplied by n. One more example we can see, but then we'll see it during our set builder form. But this is the thing that how you are going to write in the listing method. So this is called as the listing method. This is the listing method where each and every term is mentioned, each and every element is mentioned. Okay, I hope it's clear what do you mean by listing method or the roster method, where each and every element is written, is shown. Okay, even if you missed out any one element by mistake, even if you missed out any one element, you won't get marked, the entire terms becomes wrong. Okay, let's see the second method. Okay, the next method is rule method or set builder form. The question is a is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, so on till 50. Now, once the question is given, you have to think what exactly how we can write it. First thing, state the type of the numbers. They are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. I hope you know again the natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. Okay, infinite. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the integers are positive, negative, and along with the 0. So all this. So first, now this all are positive integers, no zeros. That means it's a natural number. Now I will write it a is equal to, in the curly bracket, x such that, I said x is each element x such that, how is x? The line is called as such that x belongs to, remember like this. Okay, this is belongs to. Okay, this is belongs to. This, if we put a slash on that, it will be does not belong to. Okay, remember this. So here x belongs to group of a set natural numbers. Natural, always natural number is denoted by capital N. You know, whole numbers is denoted by W, capital W. Okay, integers I, capital I. So x belongs to the natural numbers. Now, what it is? You must have understood what it is. Yes, it's a table of 5. Now, so x is equal to table of 5. That means 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15. So 5n, where, for example, see 5 into 1, 5. 5 2's are, you can say it a table, 5 3's are. That means if you see the 5 remains constant, 5, the n goes on changing. Okay, and we have got these answers. So this is the value of n. N is what? 1, 2, 3. What is the last number? 50. That means n will be what? Till dot and 10. Okay. So all the conditions you can check whether everything is natural. Yes. 5 into n, we get the formula. Okay. We get the value of n. So here it ends. Okay. I hope it's you understood this. It is difficult, little bit it's complicated, but as you get it, you will be able to solve. Okay, one more sum. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now what? There is no formula. How you will solve this? Okay. See, d x such that x. Now what are this? There is no formula. Natural number, whole number, nothing comes. But what are these? Days of the week. So here it will come simply x such that x is a day of the week. Okay, so x is a day. X is one element, so it is not a day. X is a day of the week. So it can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Okay, one more example we'll see. Okay, see here, B is equal to TEA. Now see, I will write down B is equal to X such that X is a letter of the word. What word it can be? T. That's simple. Now, some of may you think, why teacher TEA only? Why it is not EAT? There are some students, no, they will be thinking, instead of T, you can write EAT. You will get the marks. Now some of them will be again using their head up. Why teacher it is not ATE? Yes, it can be. It can be ATE. So even if instead of TEA, if you write EAT, ATE, or if you discover any other things, okay, doesn't matter, but the word should be meaningful. Okay, you can write any of the words. So X is the letter of the word. Now don't waste time in thinking what other letter, what other word it can be. What is easy for you, what you take it at once, use that word. Okay, I hope both the methods are clear, the listing method and the rule method or a set builder form.